Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because we are unboxing a package that I received. I partnered with a brand that I heard of from my friends and I was looking for something in particular. When I asked them, two of them definitely had recommended this brand and I was like, okay, cool, I'll go check them out. But then they reached out to me and I'm super excited to be partnering with them today. But before we get into this, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Okay, you guys, I'm excited because I had the box right here. I ripped the box open, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait and unbox this on camera with you guys. When they sent me the details, and I'm talking about Zeelool. They are a glasses company and they have super affordable frames. I was so excited because, so I don't necessarily wear glasses, but if I look at a computer screen or a monitor for too long, I start to get headaches. And one of my friends had suggested blue light glasses. I started wearing them about 3 years ago. And I noticed that wearing those glasses, I had less headaches. I wasn't straining as much. I wear them when I'm using my cell phone, if I'm editing video, if I'm at work, just to alleviate some of that. And even going to the eye doctor and talking to them, they told me that my vision is great and it just could be from looking at a computer screen way too long. So, you guys, I'm excited. Look at this. This showed up. They sent me 6 glasses. I did get an email with the styles that were in there, so I want to make sure that they are true to what they sent me. But I'm really excited because my friends rave about their eyeglasses. Now, you can do blue light, you can also do a prescription. They have a website, which I will link down below. They also gave me a discount code for you guys, which is ACL. It'll also be linked down below so you can go and check them out. Their site, oh my goodness. Looking at the different styles, there is something for everyone. There's women's, men's, unisex, you name it, they seem to have everything. I'm excited to see how these look because the pictures that I saw online, phenomenal. But you guys, let's see. All right, so they came in here, oh, there's 6 of them, and they came in each of their own little packages. So let's see. This is really nice, you guys. It makes it easy to just, you know, put in your case, put it in your backpack. I keep mine on me when I go to work, and then I'll keep a pair in the car and one on my bedside table. So this makes it nice. All right, so there is one of these little like cleaning cloths. So if you get fingerprints on there, ooh, oh, there's a little plastic cover. That's nice. Ooh, you guys, these are so cute. Let's go ahead and try these on. So this style is Dennis. You guys, oh. What do you think? I don't know that I would necessarily go for these, but these are a lot of fun. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts. I like the oversized glasses. They feel lightweight. I hate when I wear glasses and they just feel heavy on my ears. These are super lightweight. They don't feel bulky. You guys, look at how nice and thin these frames are. And they feel sturdy. I really like these. Do you see this design on it? The frosted black into tortoiseshell. It is very different, but I like this. It's not necessarily a style I would choose. I'm glad they sent me something that I wouldn't necessarily choose for myself because it gives me the opportunity to see what they look like. And these are fun and stylish. You guys, I'm getting all kinds of vibes with these. Stunning. Okay, this is just the first pair. I have 5 more. Okay, you guys, this next one, this is Charlene. Ooh. This gives me librarian vibes. I like the nose pieces on this because you can see right here They're the like silicone, like, yeah, I like that because they're not gonna rub on my nose right here. And sometimes you can get, if they're like metal without the silicone on it, it hurts on the bridge. But these, oh, these sit nicely, you guys. Full on glam and some beautiful glasses. This is an aesthetic. Ooh. These feel great too. They're not sitting too high. I do like that they're just kind of like sitting there. They're kind of like lifted up a little bit right here on the side. And again, we have the tortoiseshell color, which I feel like this goes with so many different styles. And then with my hair pulled back in a bun, I'm getting full on librarian, you guys. What do you think? And then going and choosing prescription, no prescription, blue light, no blue light. If you just want something to wear as like a fashion accessory, they have that as well. I really like these, you guys. I do like the detailing on them. If you look right here on the corners, there's like the cutout too. So it doesn't necessarily come all the way through. The details. Okay, so this style right here, this is Brenda. Oh, these are definitely different. This is not something I would choose. I think these are really funky and modern. Maybe, I say modern, probably more retro. Is this my vibe? Is this my style, you guys? These are neat. These are real fun. You guys can see the ring light. I'm so sorry about that. That's the other thing. With each style, they have a variety of color options. So maybe these aren't the color option you would go for, but you like the style and the design. They have so many different colors. Just look at that, you guys. And this is actually in their app. You can do the frame only, you can select the lens, but you guys, go check them out. I will have them linked down below along with my code. I will also have the direct link for these glasses, all the ones that I try on. Definitely go check them out if you're looking for some stylish, fun, lightweight. You guys, just the detailing in this. And there is the tortoiseshell on the back. I'm about to have so many options for my blue light glasses. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, this pair is Malcolm. These I really, really like because I could wear them to work. For work, I have to stay within military regulations and keep it pretty neutral. So this I think would be nice because yes, they're the oversized, but they're the clear tan, and I think that they don't distract too much, which is nice because I would be able to wear them in uniform. I am super impressed with the quality of these. They feel super sturdy. And then just looking at the detail on these, super lightweight. They feel so comfortable on the ears. I always had that issue of just, do they cut in too much or sit too high on the bridge of my nose? And when I was younger, I had a deviated septum and I had a weird like bump on the side, so my glasses would always tilt. These are sitting perfectly on my face, you guys. What do you think? I'm really digging this pair. This is super cute. I'm about to have these hidden all over the house to edit videos and when I'm looking at my cell phone. You guys, these ones are so much fun. Look at these. This style is Chandrakar. Chandrakar? I really like these. I like the pink tortoise. It is definitely a different look and so much fun. Let me know, what are you guys thinking? Are these your style? Are they a little bit different? I know my friend, she had the ones that were green for St. Patrick's Day and they were so much fun. And I asked her, I was like, where did you get those? And she definitely said Zeelool. And I was like, I'm so excited because they are sending me some glasses. So I I need to go on their site. I need to buy some more. I think these are a lot of fun. And then especially if you're one of those that gets into like the festive vibes, they put some out for the holidays based off of what's going on. Yes, absolutely. These are so cute. I like that these aren't super bulky. They're lightweight. I feel like this is something that on the weekends I could have fun and wear these out. Whether they're blue light or not, these would be fun with a really cute outfit. And then the last pair, you guys, I'm kind of sad that it's the last pair. Okay, you guys, I have to show you the detailing before I put these on. Look at this right here. They're not perfectly straight, but I do like the detailing on them. So there is a little bit of shape to them. This style is a deal. Oh, I love these. They're simple. They're not, they just, you guys. I really like this. The gold detailing on it, just the frames are clear with the gold backing, which is really nice. And there's a really interesting shape to it where it's more of like a cat eye, and I do really like this. It also has the silicone bridges again. Which pair is your favorite? Please let me know down below. Oh my goodness, every pair was super affordable. You're not gonna spend a whole bunch of money on this, which is amazing, because you wanna have a variety. I don't know about you, but I don't just have one pair of sunglasses. I like to have something based off of my current style. And these are a lot of fun. I really do like this, especially being a woman that wears makeup all the time. I do want to be able to see my makeup. These are nice because with the clear frames, you're not really blocking the makeup that I just spent 30 minutes doing. Let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely go check them out. I am in love with this. And like I said, if you need a prescription or you want blue light, if you just want something as like a fashion accessory, they have some great prices, great styles, something for everyone. If you're gonna go and check them out, let me know down below. I am really interested in your thoughts, especially if you have a prescription and you have to wear glasses. Why not have something that is your style and fun? And then on top of it, if you're not spending a whole bunch on super expensive lenses and frames, then you can just have a variety based off of your mood, your style, whatever you're doing for that day. But this is amazing, you guys. I might wear these the rest of the night. I really like these. Well, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely go check out Zeelool. I'll put their information down below. Definitely use my discount code so you can save a little bit of money. But if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.